It's probably a costume they wore for Halloween, but what a terrible choice. It's not even close to being Santa Claus. What exactly is this guy doing? He was looking around everywhere without permission, probably trying to steal something. But when the homeowner showed up, he acted like nothing happened and started talking to them.
I was just wondering, has it been up for sale for a while?
I think a month.
Okay. I mean, I wrote down the stuff, so.
Okay. Yeah.
I was just wondering if you knew the owner or don't. I figured I would see.
What does shopping for that house have to do with looking in this box? Sorry? What does shopping for this house have to do with looking in this box? What? Why were you opening my box? Here.
I was looking for a piece of paper to write on.
Oh, you were? That's weird. You thought there might be a piece of paper in my plastic box in my driveway? Okay. Well, there's not.
They were trying to break car windows with a tool designed to shatter glass, but when the homeowner noticed and shouted at them, they quickly fled the scene and drove off in their car. Another attempted robbery. There's a woman screaming for help. An elderly woman stopped in front of a door and tried to take a bike parked there. A passerby offered to help and even loaded it into his trunk. But it turned out the bike didn't belong to the woman. In the dead of night, they broke a house window, climbed inside, and, without a second thought, grabbed the TV and left. These two clumsy thieves tried to steal an air conditioning unit but ended up disconnecting the wrong part, causing smoke to go everywhere. Yet they didn't give up and still managed to steal the unit. Is there someone inside this truck? If there is, are they having a heart attack or something? Because there's no one visible at the wheel. A woman pretending to be a delivery person was actually trying to break into a house. Be cautious in these situations. When a delivery arrives, ask them to leave the package at your door and only pick it up after they've left.
Yeah, delivery. I know, I messed it. My first day on the job, I'm a little lost. That's helping out. Anything for you here? I was gonna ship that with him, but he said no. There's that. Right now.
What were you doing on our porch?
I'm delivering the mail. Seriously, look at that career.
What?
This bear must be hungry because it's rummaging through the trash. Be careful, though. Imagine being outside at those hours and facing a hungry bear. What exactly is this guy doing? He's lighting a match at his door and setting everything in front of the house on fire. Be careful, he looks like an arsonist.
Ay, boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie. Ay, boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie. Boogie. Boogie, 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 boogie. Boogie, boogie. Boogie, boogie. Ah! Boogie, 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 boogie. I boogie, boogie, boogie in you. Boogie, 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 boogie in you. Boogie, boogie. I boogie.
This guy has completely lost it.
And boogie.
The homeowners must have called the police after hearing strange noises coming from outside, but the guy is acting really strange. Even when the police shout at him, he doesn't respond. He might be under the influence of something.
Oh, shit, boogie. Boogie. I boogie. Ah, sir. Boogie. Ah, boogie. Ah, oh, boogie. Ow. Oh, shit, boogie. Ah. Oh, boogie. Oh, bitch. Oh, you bitch ass nigga. Oh. Oh. Sir. Oh, ah. Oh, shit, motherfucker. Oh. Oh. Ah, oh, shit. Oh, I did. Oh, you motherfucker. Ah. Oh. Hey, man, get the fuck off. Get the fuck off me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. You alright? Oh, hey, man.
Out to the police department. You good?
Man, oh, shit. Man, get this motherfucker off me, man.
Who's on you?
Huh?
Who's on
Look, it says, no selecting, we are too broke to buy anything. We know who we're voting for. We have found Jesus, so unless you have a package from Amazon, FedEx, UPS, US Mail, and DHL, please go away.